Today we are going to talk about adding integers using number lines. If I look at my first expression here, I see that I have positive 4 plus positive 3. I know they are positive because before them there is no negative, so that defaults to positive. I want to go in order, okay? So I like to think about it like a story. For example, I found 4 pencils, okay? So I'm starting at my 0, okay? Always starting at 0, unless otherwise noted. And I found 4 pencils. Now I have 4 pencils. I add 3 more pencils. So from that 4, I start where I ended off and I add 3 more. 4 add 3 more gets me an answer of 7. Now I have 7 pencils. So 4 plus 3 equals positive 7. Let's look and see a negative example. Here we have negative 3 plus negative 6. Again, I'm going to start at that 0. On Monday, I lost 3 pencils. This time I have to go to the left because I lost 3 pencils. I owe 3 pencils. And now on Tuesday, I owe 3 more pencils. Or 6 more. So I start at that 3 and move 6 spaces. That ends me up at negative 9. Therefore, negative 3 plus negative 6 equals negative 9. Sometimes what we will see students do is go to the negative 3 and then stop at the negative 6 because that's the number that we're adding. We need to be incredibly careful that we're moving negative 6 spaces, not going to negative 6. All right, let's try one more negative example. We have negative 4 plus negative 2. Again, I'm going to start at my 0. I'm going to move back 4 first because that's the first piece. And then from there, I'm going to move back 2 more, having me end at negative 6. Therefore, negative 4 plus negative 2 equals negative 6. Now, we had some positive examples and we had some negative examples. Now let's go ahead and try some mixed examples. Here we have negative 4 plus negative 3. Now we are doing the same thing we did before, but we are going to switch directions. When we had the same 2 positives or 2 negatives, we moved in the same directions. Now we're going to have to switch. So again, I start at negative 4 plus 3. I start at 0. My first value is negative 4. From 0, I move to negative 4. My second value is positive 3. So starting at negative 4, I move back 1, 2, 3 to the right because the right is positive. Your positives are over here. Your negatives are over here. Negative 4 goes to the left. Then we've got that 3, that positive 3. We start at negative 4, move 3 spaces to the right, 3 spaces positive, ending at negative 1. Therefore, negative 4 plus 3 equals negative 1. Let's try another example. We've got 3 plus negative 6. Again, we start this time with a positive. We start at 0. We move positive 3. From there, I start at positive 3, but now I need to move negative 6, which means I move to the left 6 spaces. That will end me at negative 3. Therefore, 3 plus negative 6 equals negative 3. One more example for today. We've got -5 plus 2. We start at our 0. We move negative spaces, 5 of them to start. And then from there, we've got +2. So we move back 2 spaces, ending us at -3. Therefore, -5 plus 2 equals -3.